The first time I used this product, I was so surprised. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about this hair miracle rescue mixing treatment from Pantene. So Pantene has been there in the market for a really long time now, and this rescue range is specially curated for people with dry to very dry hair type. They have shampoos, conditioner, hair mask, leave-in conditioner, and this mixing treatment in this range. So this is the product that I got my hands on, and I've completely finished this product. That's why I'm here with the review of how this product works for me. First, let's talk about the packaging and the price. So this is a 90 ml bottle which costed me $18.18. I got it from Amazon, and I'll mention the link in the description bar in case you want to buy. This comes in a plastic bottle with a pump, which makes it very convenient to use. So this is not your regular conditioner. This is a mix-in treatment, which means you are using your regular conditioner. You just put one drop of this into your conditioner and mix it well, and then apply it onto your hair. So this is not a conditioner. This is just an extra step on your hair care routine. Now I'm gonna tell you guys when you can use this product. So this is a mix-in drop. Basically, when we use our conditioner, it's just an extra step. It's not something mandatory or you have to use it, but you can use it when your hair is completely unmanageable, very frizzy, which usually happens like with me when I do hairstyling and then I wash my hair. That time my hair become way more frizzy. So this product comes in handy at that time for the extra frizzy, messy hair. This makes your hair feel like way more softer than it actually feels after just your regular conditioner. So you just need one drop of it, and this tiny bottle lasted me 1.5 years because I don't use it regularly. I only use it when my hair is extra dry. First time I used this product, I was so surprised with the results because I bought it just to try. I didn't have that much expectation from this product, honestly, but yeah, it definitely did work on my hair, and I am gonna buy another one of this. If you are someone with bleached hair or very dry, frizzy, unmanageable hair, you can definitely give this product a try. It's gonna work beautifully on your hair, and it helps reversing your hair damage a little bit, not like a lot, but definitely it helps with smoothing your hair. It makes your hair feel so hydrated but doesn't weigh down your hair. You know what I'm saying? Like, it makes your hair hydrated and soft and manageable, but it doesn't make your hair look flat, which is the case with most of these kind of products. This is an amazing product for the price point that they are offering. Well, I didn't so much reviews of this product on YouTube, but this is a really amazing product. If you want to buy it for like frizzy, unmanageable hair, just definitely go for this one. It's not that expensive, plus it's very effective. And yeah, that's all that I have for you guys to share in this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.